Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the recess cover and display enclosure. Removal. Carefully disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board and remove it from the adhesive on the right speaker. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the Pogo board ZIF connector and disconnect the Pogo board ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Carefully remove the Pogo board from the adhesive that secures it to the display panel assembly. Place the Pogo board into a static-dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the Pogo board from the static-dissipative bag. Place the Pogo board into position and gently apply pressure to adhere it to the display panel assembly. Insert the Pogo board ribbon cable into the Pogo board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Carefully connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board and apply pressure to it to adhere it to the right speaker.